Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios. In our previous video we have already learned what is trigonometry, and we have seen that trigonometry word is derived from three Greek word, that is tri, gon. Tri is 3, gon is sides, and metron is measure. So by these three words, tri, gon and metron, we have our concept trigonometric. Okay. So in this video we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios. So before starting, let us take a right triangle ABC. You can see this in diagram, and here we are taking angle CAB. In brief, we can call this angle as angle A, and we know that this angle is less than 90 degree. So angle A is what? Acute angle. Note the position of the side BC with respect to angle A. So here we can see that BC is what? Just opposite side of the angle A. So opposite side of the angle is what? Perpendicular in your right angle triangle. Okay. So if you are taking angle A, so BC is what? Your perpendicular, and angle A is formed on the side AB. So your AB side is what? Your base. We can call this side adjacent to angle A. Always remember, side adjacent to angle A is known as base. So AB is what? Base, and AC is hypotenuse. Okay. Let us move to our second very important concept. Note the position of sides change when you consider angle C in place of A. Now in this case we are taking angle C. Okay. So in this case side AB will be side opposite to angle C, and your side BC is what? Side adjacent to angle C. So as our concept says, opposite side to the angle is what? Always known as perpendicular, and always adjacent side is known as base. So if you are taking angle C, or in other words we can say angle ACB, then side AB is what? Perpendicular, and BC will be your base. So with this concept we will move forward and we will see some trigonometric ratios. While taking angle A or angle C, student must be careful, because most of the student makes mistake here. Always remember, side opposite to taken angle is known as perpendicular, and side adjacent to angle is always base. So trigonometric ratios are, first we will derive sine of angle A. Okay. So here we are taking angle A. So side opposite to angle A is what? BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So sine of angle A is what? Your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In this case perpendicular is what? BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So sine of angle A is equals to BC upon AC. Cosine of angle A, that is what? Side adjacent to angle A, that is known as base upon hypotenuse. So cosine of angle A is what? Base upon hypotenuse, and if you consider side, so what is base? AB is base and hypotenuse is AC. So cosine of angle A is equals to AB upon AC. Tangent of angle A is side opposite to angle A upon side adjacent to angle A, that is your perpendicular upon base, and if you consider the sides, so tangent of angle A is equals to BC upon AB. Now moving to our next three trigonometric ratios. Cosecant of angle A is equals to 1 upon sine of angle A. just inverse of your sine is what? Cosecant. So, if you inverse the value of sine A, you will get the value of your cosecant of angle A. So, by inversing sine of angle A, we have AC upon BC, that is nothing but hypotenuse upon your perpendicular. Secant of angle A is what? 1 upon cosine of angle A, that is all again inverse of cosine. So, if you inverse the value of cosine of angle A, you will get secant of angle A. So, that is what? AC upon BC. So, we can say hypotenuse upon base. Cotangent of angle A is what? 1 upon tangent of angle A. So, by reversing tangent of angle A, we are having AB upon BC, that is nothing but your base upon perpendicular. So, instead of saying sine of angle A, cosine of angle A, tangent of angle A, cosecant of angle A, secant of angle A and cotangent of angle A, we have some abbreviated form of these things, these ratios. So, sine of angle A is what? Known as sine A, we can say sine A, and cosine of angle A we can say cos A, and tangent of angle A is what? Tan A, and cosecant of angle A is cosec A, secant of angle A is sec A, and cotangent of angle A we can say cot A respectively. Okay. So, you need to understand this. Moving further, if we put the values of your sin A and cos A, so we are having tan A is what? BC upon AB. So, we can derive here formula tan A is equals to sin A upon cos A, and in same manner cot A is what? Just inverse of this. So, cot A is equals to cos A upon sin A. Okay. So, these are all what? Trigonometric ratios, and this is derived of an acute angle in right triangle expresses the relationship between the angle and the length of its sides. So, this is very important concept, and while solving you need this. So, just memorize this. Just I am revising. Sin A is what? Sin is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos A is what? Your base upon hypotenuse. Tan A perpendicular upon base, and your cosec A 1 upon sin A, that is nothing but hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec A nothing but 1 upon cos, so that is what? Base upon hypotenuse, and cot is what? 1 upon tan, so that is what? Base upon perpendicular. So, you need to understand this and memorize this. Thank you.